Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore the different ways that you can format table elements in your Google Slide decks. So I'm going to select my table here, and I know that it's selected because the border is now giant thick. And I've got my little dot sprites over here where I can grab a corner or a side or do whatever. So now that that table has been selected, if I go to Format, I can go to the Table options, and I can insert a row above. So now there's 3 rows. I can insert a row below. Now there's 4 rows. I can insert columns to the left, to the right. I can delete rows, delete columns, distribute the rows, which will make the rows evenly spaced, or I can distribute the columns, which will make those the columns evenly spaced. Or I can merge cells if I don't want it to be completely rectangular and I need 2 cells to be combined to make room for something else or whatever. Maybe that's just what the design needs to be. You can merge cells, and if you have merged cells and you go to your table format, you can unmerge them if you no longer want them merged. So there's a bunch of different ways that you can format table elements in your Google Slide decks, adding rows, deleting rows, whatever you need to do.